Everybody knows the Honda Civic as the ultimate reliable compact car, affordable, fuel-efficient, and capable of racking up 250,000, 300,000, or even 400,000 miles with basic maintenance. It's the car students, families, and commuters trust for years. But here's the truth most used car sellers won't tell you. Not every Civic is a reliability hero. Some model years became notorious money pits with transmission failures, cracked engine blocks, CVT headaches, electrical gremlins, and massive repair bills that hit right after the warranty expires. Owners buy expecting Honda's legendary dependability and end up frustrated and out of pocket. At the same time, there are Civic years that are absolute tanks, the ones mechanics quietly buy for themselves and their families. In this in-depth 2026 guide, we're breaking down the worst Honda Civic years plagued with reliability issues and the best years that continue to earn the legend. We'll cover real owner complaints, repair costs, what to inspect, current market values, and pro buying tips. One tempting cheap year on the market right now could cost you thousands down the road. One of the best is surprisingly affordable. Stick around until the end for final recommendations. If you're shopping for a used Honda Civic this year, this could be the most valuable 18 minutes you spend. Let's get into it. Number 3 worst, 2006 to 2009 Honda Civic. This 8th generation Civic arrived with a fresh redesign, but it quickly revealed serious problems, especially with the engine. The biggest nightmare? Cracked engine blocks, particularly in 2006 models. Flawed casting led to coolant leaks, overheating, knocking sounds, and complete engine failure often between 80,000 and 150,000 miles. Engine replacement frequently runs $3,000 to $5,000 or more. Many owners also reported automatic transmission issues, airbag problems, and higher oil consumption. NHTSA logged hundreds of complaints for these years, with 2006 and 2007 ranking among the highest. Infographics showing complaint spikes, engine failure diagrams, or owner testimonials. Some cars were covered under extended warranties or recalls early on, but later owners got stuck with the full bill. These are risky unless you find one with a brand new engine and complete records. But engine failures aren't the only disaster. The early 2000s models were even worse for some owners. If you're learning from this, hit subscribe and the bell. We drop honest reliability guides like this regularly. Number 2 worst to approach very carefully, 2001 to 2002 Honda Civic. These years top many worst Civic lists for good reason. The 2001 model has over 1,100 to 1,200 complaints NHTSA, one of the highest volumes ever for any Civic. Major automatic transmission failures dominated, slipping, refusing to shift, complete breakdowns often before 100,000 miles. Owners described the car losing power on highways or stalling at lights. Add in multiple airbag recalls, including Takata issues, electrical problems, exhaust failures, and general build quality complaints. 2002 wasn't much better with over 600 complaints and dozens of recalls. Transmission work often $2,500 to $4,500. Many called these cars lemons or money pits. Even cheap prices today usually reflect hidden problems. Strong recommendation to skip these unless it's a well-maintained manual with ironclad history. Modern Civics aren't immune either. The introduction of new tech brought its own set of headaches. Number 1 worst to approach very carefully, 2016 and early 10th Gen CVT models, 2014 to 2017. The 10th Gen Civic brought exciting new styling and the Earth Dreams CVT for better efficiency, but early years had teething problems. CVT shuddering, hesitation, jerking, and occasional premature failures. Honda issued recalls for drive pulley shaft problems that could cause loss of power or wheel locking. 2016 also had frequent AC evaporator and compressor failures, Bluetooth and infotainment glitches, and higher battery drain. CVT replacement $4,000 to $6,500, AC repairs $1,000 to $2,500. Later 10th Gen years, especially 2019 Plus, improved significantly after Honda refined the programming and components, but 2016 remains one of the higher complaint years of modern years. Enough with the problem years that drained wallets. Now let's celebrate the Civics that built Honda's unbreakable reputation. Best Honda Civic years, bulletproof reliability. Number 3, 1999 to 2000 and 2011 Honda Civic. These represent old-school Honda at its finest, simple, over-engineered, and built to last decades. Late 6th Gen and early 7th Gen 1999 to 2000 and the refined 2011 models shine with legendary durability. The D-Series and R18 engines sip oil, run cool, and routinely exceed 250,000 to 350,000 plus miles with routine maintenance. Minimal electronics mean fewer things to break. Repairs are cheap, parts are abundant, and mechanics love working on them. Which Civic year are you thinking about buying? Comment below, I read every one. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more buyer-saving videos. Number 2 best, 2012 to 2015 Honda Civic. After some early 9th Gen struggles in 2012, Honda refined these years beautifully. Strong, naturally aspirated engines, proven traditional automatics in non-CVT trims, excellent fuel economy, and low overall complaint rates. These cars regularly surpass 200,000 to 300,000 miles with routine maintenance. Solid safety, comfortable ride, and great value on the used market. A near-perfect balance of modern features without the early adopter risks. Number 1 best, 2019 to 2022 and 2022 plus 11th Gen. By 2019-2020, Honda had ironed out the kinks. Oil dilution issues in turbo models were addressed, CVTs became smooth and far more reliable with fluid changes, and electronics matured. These are refined, efficient, tech-rich, and comfortable while retaining Honda durability. In 2026, clean, low to moderate mileage examples still offer strong value compared to brand new prices. Recent models continue this strong trend with excellent owner satisfaction and high reliability ratings. 2026 buying advice to avoid reliability issues. Always get a professional pre-purchase inspection, PPI, from a Honda specialist. Insist on full service history, especially CVT fluid changes every 30,000 miles. Test drive extensively for shifting, noises, AC performance, and warning lights. Consider manual transmissions for maximum longevity in older models. Check for open recalls on NHTSA.gov. Avoid the absolute cheapest high-mileage examples without records. There you have it, the Honda Civic years with serious reliability issues to avoid and the bulletproof ones that mechanics trust in 2026. If this video helps you make a smarter purchase, drop a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Share your own Civic experience or the year you're targeting in the comments. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, maintain your car, and I'll see you in the next guide.